What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if NFC is not working in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on more connections. Now tap on NFC and then here you will see a NFC button, so tap on this button to turn it on, and after that the NFC will start working and now you can use NFC. But after turning on NFC, if you are facing issues to use NFC, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone and it will help you to fix the NFC issues. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then try updating all the apps in your phone. So for that, open Play Store. Now tap on this profile icon on the top right corner and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now here tap on Updates Available option and from here update all the apps that are pending, and after updating these apps the NFC will start working properly. But after updating apps, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and tap on System and Updates and then tap on Software Update. Now from here update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the software to the latest version, the NFC issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the NFC not working issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.